Hi guys, so the seller gifted this one to me. Actually, I requested them to do the reviews, but because this one is really useful, especially those if you are planning to go a cruise, and this is one of the things that uh, I recommend that you need to have, especially if you need to hang a towel in your balcony. This one is really needed, guys. So actually, I buy several stuff, several clips. When we went to a cruise last year. Look at that. So it's really easy to just hang your towel. This gonna be my example. Example, like if this is the reels of the balcony. So you can just put all the towel like that. You guys know it, right? So the towel won't move. Oh, this is nice. I like this. And maybe you can use it to hang your rugs if you're planning to dry your rug outside in your backyard. You can use that one too. And I will try to use it for my hair. Toing, toing. So anyway, got grab this one, guys. They are available in Amazon. Check this out. Look, maybe I can put this in a piece of wood. Oh yeah. If you have some wood project that need to hold, you can use it too. Look, uh, there's a lot stuff you can use this one. Yeah, I'm sure if my mother saw this one, she's going to use it. So I'm Asian, so we really like to hang stuff rugs. If we're gonna wash it, we're going to put it in our backyard and put some clip on it. Oh my god. Hey sis. Woo! Thank you guys. Grab this one.